How to install Rapido Captain in Android. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can install the Rapido Captain in your Android device. So if you want to install the Rapido Captain on your Android device, you have to follow this step. So you have to tap on the Google Play Store here. Once you are on your Google Play Store, you have to go for your search icon. So you have to just search for the Rapido Captain here. Once you have searched for the Rapido Captain, so if you find any Rapido Captain app here, then you can tap on the Open its detail page and tap on the install button to start downloading and installing the app. So the app will be downloaded and installed automatically. So if you don't find the Rapido Captain here, just go back and go to your Chrome and navigate to the source icon here. And here you have to just search for the Rapido Captain. Once you have searched for the Rapido Captain here, so here you can see the Rapido Captain. So here you can see your Rapido Captain. Just go for that. So this item is not available in my country. You can install this if that is available on your country. Just tap on the install icon. So the app will be downloaded and install automatically. And once the installation has been finished, you have to tap the open from the Play Store and find the Rapido Captain icon on your home screen or app drawer to launch the app. And you can follow the on-screen instructions to sign up or log into your Rapido Captain app. And you may need to provide a certain information or complete the verification step depending on the app requirement. So in a summary, you have to open up your Google Play Store on your Android device and search for the Rapido Captain, and you have to tap on the install option and install that app on your device. So with this step, you will be ready to use the Rapido Captain app for your ride sharing needs. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.